Just did.
Here's Moose's. Go put Moose's out there.
This is good. Come here, Trella. Come put Moose's food out.
You told me I could do it.
Back up.
No.
Careful, Trella, don't spill it.
She's okay. Good boy, Boyd. No, that's not yours.
There. Go.
No, Boyd. Don't. It's okay, Trella. No, Boyd. Where are you going? No, Boyd. No. That's not yours.
Boyd, are you hungry, buddy?
Not Boyd.
You hungry?
Did you go into your spot? Oh, look at you. Such a good boy. Wait for it. Back up.
You hungry, buddy? Are you hungry?
Good boy.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Okay. Okay. Go.
Okay, buddy.
Trella. Trella, go pet Boyd. Good girl. Boy, you're such a good boy. Did you pick up his kibble and put it back in his bowl? Okay, good job.
Oh. She's spilling it.
Yeah, he is, isn't he?
Yes.
Did you get it?
Yes.